calamansi to give out to our neighbor. I said no, I said lime, kind of like between lime and orange, a mix of lime and orange. So I said just put sugar and water and ice. Eggplant salad, I am using salted eggs and then tomato. It's like Saturday. Today is Saturday, and we have some errands later. Big onion to garnish our chives. Let's harvest chives instead. Some chives here, and then on the corned beef. There you go. So it's like prettier with the chives, and then let's add some on our corned beef, and then I'm cooking eggs too. Let's pick some flowers that we can put on our table. Maybe those like roses. We have this rose here, and then the other one here, and then where else? More here, and then there too. Let's pick 3. So I picked this 3 peach roses. We have here, we have more here, and then here too. Beautiful. Look at the gorgeous roses. Let's put, and our brunch is ready. We have the eggplant salad with salted eggs. We have the corned beef with potatoes. We have chorizo de cebu. We have sunny side eggs, and then rice. And then the roses are from the backyard garden. Let's eat. Eating time, guys. Josh, do you like our breakfast?
Yes.
Yummy. Looks yummy.
I was planning to set up the breakfast outside, but it's too cold.
Yes, it's still very cold.
This garden chair or garden kneeler from Dear Family is super useful. I'll put the link down below if you are interested in getting one. I love this color, pink. Space here. There you go. So I planted all 6. So very pretty, right? It's kind of like spring, even though it's fall, late fall, almost winter. There you go. The flowers have been planted, and we still have fall decorations. I love this raincoat that was gifted to me by Lazog. This is of course waterproof since it is a raincoat. I like the style. This is more of a must-have this season because it is ultra lightweight. You can just put it in your like small purse and have a raincoat whenever you need it. And this is hooded. So it has a hood here. I love that the zipper here is like more of hidden. It has an overlap. So stylish, and like when you are like jogging outdoor like in the evening when it's dark, you can be seen because of this like of this neon lining. So it's so stylish. It has a pocket here to put your stuff, for example your cell phone and like your other stuff. It actually has like a very roomy like pocket, and again this is like super lightweight, and it won't, if you are traveling with this, or if you are bringing this, it is like it won't occupy that much space. As thin as this, see? And like really like ultra lightweight. This is a must-have. Fried mackerel. They are tiny. Oh, the rice is ready. They are tiny this time, so we had them clean this already, and then they cut off the head. We like the head actually, but I understand because it's so tiny. It's probably like quite challenging to remove the gills. It's easier to just cut off the head. So I need to sprinkle with salt and then broil this for probably about like 10 minutes. Let's put this to, I preheated it. Let's put it to broil. I have the spinach here for the mung beans. I'm still cooking the mung beans. Let's broil this. I'll add the peppers from the backyard garden. and then later the spinach. When you fry or when you broil fish, it actually kind of like stinks down. That reminds me, I need to turn this on. It stinks the house, the entire house. So since it is already stinky, let's just use the fish sauce. I like this like red boat fish sauce. Let's take a peek of our like fish. Fried mackerel is ready. Now let's add the spinach here. Here's our mung beans. Here's our dinner. We have the fish and then the mung beans and then rice. This is more of a typical Filipino dinner, especially like Fridays, because mung beans is usually served on Fridays. So this has like pork, mung beans, bitter melon, and spinach. Super love this Pliers set that was gifted to me by WorkPro. It came with these 3 Pliers, and this was drop forged from carbon steel. So this is super durable and super strong. An ergonomic handle, and I love the color, the red and blue, very patriotic. The grip is serrated, and then it came with like 3 different sizes. The smallest one is 5/16 of an inch. The second one is half an inch, and then this one is 3/4 inch. So you have like 3 sizes to choose from. So this is super useful when you need to working on your like car, and then you need to grip this. For example, this is a hose, and then you need to grip this, and you need to like, for example, coil this, or you need to bend this, then you can use this other one. And then again, this is 11 inch, so this is super useful in like really like tight space, reach like really narrow like spaces or tight spaces. And then if, for example, you need to pull this like cord, then you can do that with this one. So this has like more of like an O shape like that for gripping, and it can grip like tightly because it is serrated. And then this is ergonomic, and then it came with this like roll pouch, so you just put it back. If you need to store it, you just put them back here and have them like super organized, and then you have them there, and you just roll it, and then there is a velcro here. You just close it, and then now you can carry it, see, and then store. Very easy to carry, very easy to store. So I highly recommend this like long reach grip pliers if you have a need for this. I have here a wrench organizer that can hold 12 wrenches. I only have 1 wrench here as an example. This was gifted to me by a WorkPro, this company, and this has 12 and this has 12 too. This can hold 24 wrenches total. I have the metric here and then the standard here. You could place this anywhere there is like a metal, because it is magnetic. It can hold 24 wrenches, very well organized, and then you can have this in your like workstation, in your garage, or like anywhere you can carry this with the wrenches there, anywhere you need to work. Like for example here, if I need to work here, then I can just stick that there, and then same thing with this one here. So this is a very like useful like organizer, again by WorkPro. And then this comes with like, if you have, this is more of like for like shorter like smaller wrenches. If you need one for like longer ones, they also have another one. Also in blue and red, with like really like huge magnet here. This like larger one can hold up to 15 wrenches, like 15 here, 15 here. It's a total of 30 wrenches. You can have the longer ones at the bottom and then the shorter ones here on top. And same thing, you can hang this if you don't like to use the magnet, or if you need this in a place where there is no metal, then you can just hang this. As the magnet is like pretty strong, like really, see, it's like really strong. So even when you have like the heavy wrenches, it would still it's not going to fall. And then same thing with this one. So you have the options to like get this one, this like this set, or this larger set. This is from Work Pro, and I highly recommend this if you need like an organizer for your like wrenches.
Responses, I'll praise your name forever. I will praise your name forever. Every day I will bless you, and I will praise your name forever. Great is the Lord and highly to be praised. His greatness is unsearchable. I will praise your name forever. Generation after generation praises your works and proclaims your might. They speak of the splendor of your glorious majesty and tell of your wondrous works.
I will praise your name forever, Lord.
They discourse the power of your terrible deeds and declare your greatness. They publish the fame of your abundant goodness and joyfully sing of your justice. I will
praise your name forever, Lord.
The Lord is gracious and merciful, slow to anger and of great kindness. The Lord is good to all and compassionate toward all his works.
I will praise your name forever, Lord.
Let all of your works give you thanks, O Lord, and let your faithful ones bless you. Let them discourse of the glory of your kingdom and speak.
I praise your name forever, Lord.
Asparagus quiche. Can I have one of those? I'm gonna take it to go.
I went to Pascal's. This is for Josh. This is peach with blueberry. And then I got for myself, I have the almond croissant. That one. And here's my breakfast. This is almond croissant and coffee. Husband is having something from Flukies. This is the Flukies.
Bernie's burger combo.
We're here at the park. Whoa! Good job! I have a question for you. Yeah, we can get SB too.
Did we get SB this week?
Hmm?
Did we get SB this week?
Now we're heading home. Give me the ball, Josh. Come here. Josh, look, the color is different.